If you're a beginner in trading, then you likely think that to start making money on trading, you need lots of experience and knowledge. If you think so, then I'm going to dispel this myth once and for all and show you how you can earn on binary options with no special knowledge and experience thanks to one simple strategy. So, we're trading on pocket option platforms, the link is in the description, and be sure to sign up and repeat after me. As you sign up, you need to top up your balance, click Finance panel and then Deposit button. After that, you can choose any payment method convenient for you. As for me, it's cryptocurrency. In this panel, we can fill in the sum of top up. But for you, I have a special promo code which will give you extra 50% to top up. Please contact me following the link in the description and I'll give you this promo code. And to activate it, you just need to click this check mark and fill in the promo code right here. After all of that, we click continue. Now, let's figure out what's the goal of a trader. The goal is to guess where the price will go in an exact moment of time. To understand where the price will go, traders use lots of strategies that help to do analytics. And as this video is for beginners, I'll be using a maximum simple strategy that everyone can handle. And to do that, let's manage our type of the chart. Traders mostly use candles as a chart type, but for our strategy we need Hack and S-shape. So we click it. Now let's figure out what it means. Well, this chart shows us the asset's price, but it's being generated based on two markets of players' behavior, sellers and buyers. Buyers push the price up, and if there are more buyers than sellers on the market, then the price is going up accordingly. And if there are more sellers, then the price is moving down. Okay, green candles indicate the buyer's force, and red ones show the seller's force. If we see green formation, then it means the price has grown. If we see the red one, it means the price fell down. If we see the general movement is pointed down, then this movement is called downward or downtrend. If we see the general trend is upward, then this is called upward movement or uptrend. Okay. Now let's figure out time frames. If there's a 1 minute time frame set, then one candle is being formed for 1 minute. Now let's choose indicator for our strategy. We open indicators panel for that and choose super trend indicator. As you see, our chart is transformed. Now we see exact signals. And this is what we're trading on. We base our trading strategy on that. Our goal is to see some fresh signal, either with higher or with lower. And if you see the signal with higher, we open a deal with higher accordingly. If we see the signal with lower, then we open a deal with lower. Okay, as we see through history, these signals have been working out pretty good. But when we see the signal, we can also see this line. And this line shows us how the price is being changed at exact period of time. Thus, if we have a signal with higher and the lines meanwhile going up or increasing, then this signal is actual. If we see the signal with lower and this line is going down as well, then the signal is actual too. If we see the line is going straightly, directly, then we do not open a deal, as any moment the trend's reverse can happen, so the signal for buy comes out of nowhere, So, signals are located this way. Signals with higher appear at the bottom of the chart, and signal with higher appear conversely at the top. This placement helps us not to get confused in these signals. Okay, to start trading, we surely need to choose the currency pair with the highest percentage of payout. We go right here and a column with different currencies is opened. At the right, we see exact percentage values. These percents indicate our net profit. So, if the deal is closed on a profit, then we earn 92% of net profit. Working with this indicator, we use 30 seconds time frames. To do that, we go right here and choose 30-second time frame. And the time of the deal is 30 seconds as well. Okay, we're done now. Let's start trading. And while trading, I'll be sharing some beneficial advices with you, which will help you to increase the win rate of your deals. Okay, I see the signal for buy and I open a deal with higher. To do that, we need the time of the deal set in advance and the sum of the deal as well. And to open it, we click higher or lower button. Here's our entry point. You can see it. And even 30 seconds, the price gets higher than this entry point. Then we get our profit, which is equal to 92%, pretty much. As soon as we see such a signal, we open a deal with higher. And right now we fixate our net profit, $46 of net profit. Let's move on, So I sell the signal with lower, and I open a deal for a decrease, it's $50. And as this deal is in process, let me give you some advice. Guys, it's about considering risks. You need to consider your risks always, as you should understand sooner or later you'll get a losing deal. And if you don't consider risks, this deal might become your last one or your second one, second last. So, as we see, the deal is closed at a loss, but it's fine. We just increase the bet amount and open a deal with lower. Let's analyze the time frame. I have 30 seconds time frame set. One candle is being formed for 30 seconds. And I follow the rule that the time of one deal must match the time of one candle. It must be equal to this time. Thus, the time of my deal is 30 seconds. By the way, our deal is closed at a profit. We go on. So, found another case, I enter with higher. We see the signal for buy, and this is why I open the deal with higher. And we get a confident profit. Let's go on. Guys, I've seen some new signal and I open a deal with higher. As you see, in this signal, in this strategy, we do not need any analysis. Our goal is to just see the new signal. And we confidently get a profit. So, I've seen some fresh signal with lower, I open a deal. Let me share another advice with you guys. Please look for any confirmation for your signal. For example, just like in this case, we see some sharp decrease out of lots of red candles. It's really strong, and this is also confirming the seller's force. Just have a look at these great movements we're catching thanks to these free signals. And we're making another deal closed at a confident profit. This way, we've already made a deposit 2 times bigger. Let's go on. So, I see some fresh signal with lower, I open a deal with lower. The second factor for confirming the signal is the line. I've already told you about it in the beginning of the video, but I'll still repeat it for you. If you see the signal with lower is combined with the line getting pointed down straight away, then it means the signal is stronger and more actual. And if the signal with higher is combined with the line heading up right away, then it's also a good signal to bet higher. As you see, our deal is closed at a loss and the signal worked out not that good, but it happens. And if we see the signal is not changed, we just click it 2 times. Thus, the sum of the deal increases from $50 to $100, and if it's a profit, we cover our losses and fixate profit more than that. Let's do that. As you see, we fixated the profit, no worries. So, I see another fresh signal and I bet lower. As a confirmation factor for your signals, I recommend you using levels. Level is a moment when the price has sharply changed its direction. So, for example, in this moment, the price was going down, and in this point, it was changed. And this point is a level for us. And if we see the signal to bet lower and the price is going down as well, then it's also a confirmation factor, as there is a level at the bottom and the price can pretty much tend to go there. And we take another profit. Great. So, see some pretty much fresh signal, I enter with lower. Another confident profit. As you see, thanks to this simple strategy, not using some special enormous knowledge and skills, we managed to make deposit bigger, turning $200 into $530. But guys, there's even simpler ways to earn money on binary options, and this is called copy trading. And I've told you about it in my Telegram channel, the link is in the description. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it, and bye bye, see you soon.